One All Recipes member shared this fish taco recipe and said, "I'm from San Diego and these taste just like home. We live in the South now and nobody has heard of these." To make the fish tacos, you begin by making a beer batter. In a large bowl, combine 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a half teaspoon of salt. Then blend 1 egg with a cup of beer. And quickly stir the liquid into the flour mixture. Don't worry about a few lumps. Once the batter is made, set it aside and let's make the white sauce, which will top the taco. Use a medium bowl and mix together half a cup of plain yogurt and half a cup of mayonnaise. Add the juice of 1 fresh lime. Mix that until the consistency is slightly runny. Next, mince 1 jalapeno pepper and mince a teaspoon of capers. Add those to the sauce. And mix. Along with half a teaspoon of dry oregano, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, half a teaspoon of dried dill weed, and 1 teaspoon of ground cayenne pepper. Stir it thoroughly and set it aside. Now we need to heat 1 quart of oil in a deep fryer heavy skillet or pot to 375 degrees. Cut 1 pound of cod fillets into portions of 2 to 3 ounces each. Now, dust the fish pieces lightly with flour. Then, dip them into the beer batter and fry them until they're crisp and golden brown. Drain the fried fish on paper towels. To serve the taco, place a fried fish in a tortilla and top it with shredded cabbage or lettuce, sliced jalapenos, diced tomatoes, cilantro, and the white sauce.